USA Trains has introduced the Docksider. This is an 060 steam locomotive that was developed in early 1900s and mainly used around the docks where ships would bring in their cargo to port. Hence the name of the small, powerful locomotives became known as the Docksider. This unit is a little bit different than other USA Trains engines. This is not made out of plastic, but is made out of die-cast metal. When you get your unit, make sure to read through the instruction manual, as this unit has synchronized smoke as well as sound. And it'll teach you how to lubricate the engine before you operate it. The locomotive is equipped with a synchronized sound system with a chuff, bell, and whistle sounds. It includes two magnets that can be snapped into the track to activate the bell and the whistle sound. These magnets snapped in perfectly in our USA track, but may take modifications for other manufacturers. This Docksider has a variety of different features, including an operated smokestack, operated headlight, cab light, and directional backup lights. The bell is actually made out of brass and is not plastic, and the handrails are made out of metal as well. The coal load is simulated, it looks great, and it's also one solid piece of metal. The drive rods are metal, as well as die-cast spoke drivers with nickel-plated rims. There's even a detailed builder's plate. The locomotive is 14 and 7/16 inches in length when measured coupler face to coupler face. It is 4 and 7/32 inches in width, cylinder head to cylinder head, and the height is 5 1/8 inches from top of stack and top of steam dome. The big thing is the weight. It's 10 pounds, 10 ounces. Metal definitely is heavier than plastic. The unit includes an engineer. The doors are die-cast shut, but the windows do open and close. The unit uses reed switches on the bottom to activate the bell and the whistle. If you look closely, you can see where they're located. Here are the metal drive rods and the die-cast spoke drivers. The top of the unit has detailed riveting on the cab. The reason that coal load was removable is because that's where you'll find the 4 switches used to operate the lights, sound, motor, and the smoke generator. It is recommended that if you're not using smoke fluid that you turn off the smoke switch. This will prevent the generator from burning out and to extend its life. There is also a plug for battery power. The locomotive is designed to operate on DC current with an output of 0 to 24 volts. The front LED is a bright white LED that gives off a small bluish tint. The backup light uses the same type of LED. Let's take a listen to the installed synchronized sound system with chuff, bell, and whistle sounds. Even the smoke is synchronized on this unit to the drive wheels. Here we are on rollers in a stationary position, and you can see the synchronization of the smoke. We apply a small fan and the smoke comes out. On balance, USA Trains has brought to market a very well done 1/29 scale steam locomotive that should serve standard gauge steam operators' requirements, providing years of dependable service.